Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing great. So today is another hair review. The wig I'll be revealing today is from Yoowigs. It's their 5x5 HD lace wig, and this wig is 180 density. Came in this. Okay, there is a box. You guys know it's not the first time I'm reviewing wigs from Yoowigs. I've been working with them for long now, so I love working with them because of the quality of their hair. And since I've been working with them, I've never gotten any problem from their hair. Okay, so today's wig, like I said, is HD lace wig. Came in this box that you guys can see. Okay, and the packaging, you guys know, is not new to you guys. If it is your first time here, maybe this should be new to you, but if you are OG, you should know. So in the box, I have the wig here and a hairband. You can see, oh, this one, and there is a card as well. It's a thank you card from them. So now about the wig. So this is the wig. It's body wave. Why is it showing black? It's not dark like that. The way it's showing, let me see. Let me stand up if you can change. It's the same thing. So it's HD lace. You see, you can see the hairline came plucked. Okay, and this is the inside. Came with some combs and adjustable strap. So this one is 20 inches. You can see body weight. Stop calling me up, just realize. So let me see if there is smell. No, doesn't have any bad smell. There's no shedding. Since it's 5x5, it's very easy to install. Okay, 5x5, 4x4, they are very easy. I always say that, very easy to install. By the way, in case if you're interested in this wig, I'm going to leave the link to the unit on the description box so that you can check that out if you are interested. Okay, if you like to order, check the description box. I'm going to leave the direct link to this wig, and also I will leave link to some of their wigs and the old ones I've done before. I'm going to leave link to those ones as well on the description box, so don't hesitate to check the description box. And also I will check to see if there's any discount code. I'm going to include it on the description box as well. With all that being said, let's dash into the installation of this wig. I know it's because I applied foundation on my face and the hair is black. That is why my face is so white like this. What will I do? So I'm going to cut the lace from it. Before I do that, let me take the flying hair backward with my nose. When it comes to installing of my wigs, I like taking it very easy, simple. I don't like wasting time. I think that applies to everyone. No need of wasting time. See, I did not glue it, but it just lapped down. I'm just going to create little baby hair. So I'll use Got2b glue spray on it.
Wasn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and
So I tied it down. I want to open the party more. See that it's very long. See the party up to this place. I like long parts. Yes, I love long parts.
You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked.
I want the front very, very flat. I don't want volume, so I'm really going to work on the front.
I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby. I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away
I'll apply oil on it.
lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now.
Then brush out the waves. See that the hair don't shed. So I'm brushing it. Look at my comb. No shedding. And the density is 150. I wish I have this clip, how do they call it, to clip your coils to give it waves. I don't have. I think I'm going to buy that just to give it little waves. Now this is budding wave. You see, let me turn the back.
I love the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I
So I'm going to open the party.
be one of the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 the things I love, the things I love.
I'll make it look a little bit wider.
Begins, you could be the first.
This is how you fake your party.
Get in my
I'm going to use my oil because since I don't have this clip whatever, I'm just going to use my oil to bring the coils back to life. So I'll bring the waves back to life this way. Once you apply the oil, the waves are going to bounce back. See as I apply oil, see the waves bounce back.
be one of the things I love.
See that? See. I'm going to use this from it. Let's see what we got. My face is so white, I don't know why. The setting of this camera or my lighting, I don't know what I'll do about it. You guys should advise me on what to do. I really want the front so flat. Oh! Oof. This burn my scalp. So with the oil, you see, I was able to bring back the waves. So I don't need to do any other thing. So guys, that is it. I'm going to leave the link to this unit on the description box, so if you're interested you can check that out. So don't forget, the hair is from Yoowigs and it's 5x5, 150 density, HD lace. Okay, so I will see you guys in my next one. Till then, remain gorgeous. Bye. Ciao.